I will show you another useful way to create filters on your Google Looker Studio reports. And I will do it with this chart. It turns out that I want to convert that pie chart into a filter. So I will go to edit, I will click on that pie chart, and if I scroll down to the bottom of the panel where I can change the dimensions and metrics and so on, you will see an option that says cross filtering, and I will enable it. Once I enable it, I will go to the view mode and I will click on the pie chart, particularly on the mobile section. And here, as you can see, I am filtering my data to only show mobile. This is the same as a dropdown, but what I am doing is that I can convert every visualization, every chart that I have in my report as a button, as a filter. I will do it with another example. I will go back. So here, as you can see, if I hover on the table, on the chart, you will see an arrow so I can move back or I can reset this filter. And this is back to normal. Now, what I am doing is I will click on the table only on the pricing page. And now this is filtering my traffic only for the pricing page. And as you can see, I found an insight. I see that the traffic of my pricing page is dropping steadily, even going down to zero. I don't think it is a problem of sales, it is a problem of measurement. But thanks to this filter, thanks to this cross filtering in my charts, I could spot this thing.